How to find freelance jobs on PeoplePerHour. First of all, open your browser and go to PeoplePerHour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Source button from the top menu. Here you will see Source Projects, which is specifically for freelancers. Next, use the search bar to enter keywords related to your skills or services. For example, if you are a graphic designer, type graphic designer to find relevant project. You can also filter results by category, budget, project type, and deadline to narrow down your search and find the best opportunities. After finding a project that interests you, click on it to view the full details. Carefully read the project description, requirement, and client expectation. This ensures you only apply for jobs that match your skills and experience. When ready, click on Send Proposal. Write a clear and professional proposal explaining why you are the best fit for the job. Include examples from your portfolio and mention relevant experience. Regularly check your dashboard for project invitation, recommended project, and saved sources, as these help you stay updated with new opportunities and increase your chances of getting hired. Now you know how to find freelance jobs on PeoplePerHour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.